Hello everyone, welcome back in my new video. For those of you who are new here on my channel, I'm creating acrylics and mixed media paintings and also art journals. If you like this type of content, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And now let's get into this video. Today I am doing another acrylic fluid painting. So first step is to create paint mixture. I'm not using my regular acrylic paints, they are heavy body acrylics, so I'm just using some paints I found in my art supplies, and I am planning to buy some more liquid paints for this kind of projects. As a medium, I am using Liquitex pouring medium and I am mixing it really well with the paint. After this, I am adding a little bit water to the mixture to get the right consistency. When I am happy with the consistency, I'm also adding few drops of silicone. I really love the results you will get using it. This silicone I am using is just liquid 100% silicone oil. I am also planning to do some experimenting how to get beautiful cells without silicone, so let me know in the comments if you are interested in the tutorial without silicone. For this painting, I am doing a technique called dirty cup. You basically put all your color mixture into a cup and flip it over onto the canvas. As you could see, I am trying not to mix colors very much in the cup. I am just switching between colors and pouring them. Then I just put the canvas on top of my cup and carefully flip it over. And now the fun begins when I am slowly moving with my canvas and trying to get the result I want. To be honest, in this moment I am thinking how much easier it would be to use round canvas. And when I am happy with the results, I just let it dry completely. And here you can see how this painting actually changed during drying time. You can see that everything is much sharper and that the cells are much more defined now. But because I used water in my mixture, not just pouring medium, it dried matte, so now I am using a glossy varnish to make it shiny again. In total, I applied 3 very thin layers. In between each layer, I let it dry completely. And here you can see some close-up shots of my finished painting. And that's it for my today's video. Thank you all for watching. Let me know in the comments what do you think, and also if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye bye!